Hey guys, this is the Freeze Miser outdoor faucet protection for your faucets that are outside and you are worried about them freezing during the winter. I got this suggestion from my son who tried them at his house, and although it doesn't freeze a lot here in Texas, we do inevitably have freezing temperatures every year. So I got the 2-pack. I got one for each of my outdoor faucets. I've already tried them this winter and they worked perfectly. So what happens is you screw this onto your outdoor faucet and open up the valve so that the water is turned on as if it were flowing. And if the temperature, no water comes out, but if the temperature reaches just above freezing, this will start to drip and it keeps your faucets safe in the winter and keeps them from freezing over. Absolutely love this. This was so much easier for me personally to put on. And when our little cold spell was over here in Texas, I took them off very easy and a lot easier for me than putting on some of those covers that I've done in the past. But give these a try. I think you're really going to like them.